In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wordart in PowerPoint creatively. If you're looking to add a bit of flair and personality to your presentations, then Wordart is a fantastic tool to have under your belt. It's not just about adding text, it's about making your words pop and stand out, giving your slides that artistic touch they truly deserve. So let's dive in and explore the steps to create stunning visuals using Wordart. To get started, you first want to open your PowerPoint presentation. Once you have your presentation open, navigate your way to the Insert tab on the ribbon. This tab is your go-to corridor for adding various elements to your slides, and Wordart is no exception. Next, you'll want to zero in on the Wordart option located within the text group. This nifty little tool offers several preset styles for you to choose from. While you're selecting a style, don't worry too much about making it perfect just yet, because PowerPoint allows you to fully customize it afterward. Experiment with different styles and pick the one that catches your eye. Now comes the fun part, typing your desired text. Whether it's a title, a quote, or just a catchy phrase, type it out within the text box. This is where your creativity starts to take shape, forming the foundation of your Wordart masterpiece. Moving on, let's delve deeper into customizing your Wordart design. Changing the font can dramatically influence the appearance of your text. Think about using bold and expressive fonts like Impact or Bebas Noi to really make your words stand out. Once your font is ready to go, select your Wordart and head over to the Shape Format tab to unlock even more possibilities. Within the Shape Format tab, you have access to a wealth of options for enhancing your Wordart. One valuable feature is text fill. Whether you want to experiment with gradients, pictures, textures, or just solid colors, playing around with these options can give your text a rich, unique look. Adding a text outline can further elevate your design, providing contrast with a thin stroke, making your text clearer and more engaging. Gradient fills offer a fabulous way to add depth to your text, blending various colors to create an intricate visual effect. To take things a step further, you can even insert an image into your Wordart. For this, select your text again, go to Format, then Text Fill, and choose Picture or Texture Fill. Upload a photo, texture, or pattern of your choice to seamlessly embed it into your Wordart. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can transform simple text into a captivating visual element that enhances your presentation and captures the attention of your audience. With practice, you'll be able to use Wordart creatively to make your presentation stand out every single time.